Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. To make Salisbury steak, we need 2 pounds of lean ground beef. We are going to season with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon powder, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, with your hands, mix it all in. And then we are going to form about 8 beef patties, and I like giving them an oval shape so it is more traditional. Then, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We are not cooking these guys all the way through. All we really want to do is to sear them on both sides for a couple of minutes. After they have been seared for a couple of minutes on each side, go ahead and take them out. Then, in the same pan, add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, add in 1 onion thinly sliced, followed by 1 pound of mushrooms. Stir that in. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan as you do so. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Stir that in and give it about 2 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients. After the onion becomes translucent and the mushrooms begin to soften, add in 3 cloves of garlic minced. Stir the garlic in and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Then add in a quarter of a cup of all-purpose flour, mix the flour in and let the flour cook up for about 3 minutes. Then add in 3½ cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and bring the beef patties back in, and we're going to simmer for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take the lid off and garnish with fresh Italian parsley. And now you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, Salisbury steak. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.